All right, now let's implement FIDO2. So FIDO will be available in our authentication method. If we scroll down here, authentication method, let's open. So this is where we configure passwordless options like FIDO2 keys. So next, please make sure the FIDO2 pass keys, these are available, right? You might be seeing other options as well, like authenticator and SMS, these things, the common. So first things we need to check whether it's enabled or not. I can directly see under enabled. I'll open it and here we can see it's enable. If it is disabled, you need to enable this in your account. Now next will be to choose the target. For me, I've chosen the scope as all users, right? We can select target as well, or you can apply to all users as well. We can also exclude if you want. If you want to don't want FIDOs, so we can add targets here as well. So let's say I want to change the passkey profiles. Let's say I've created a profile. Let's say test profile, right? We can create profile anytime. So we can select either all if you want all, or default passkey profile. So for now, let's select the default passkey profile as well. Once done, we'll need to click on save here, the blue button, saving authentication changes. Now the next step will be to register a security key, which users add their passkey to their account. So the user portal is the I've mentioned the link. They got to open, right? So once they open the link, they will get the default sign in. They need to sign in. Next, like they will get the add method, the security key. Then they need to choose USB or the NFC key, right? They need to insert the key and set the pin to complete the registration. So once users are done, as an security expert, we can test the passwordless sign in to verify the login has worked with the passkey. How do we do it? We can go to the monitoring and health, and here sign in logs we can check. Let's click on it. So here we'll be getting the information of the users, like the failures or the success. Everything will be recorded so that as an admin we can track the usage and troubleshoot issues, right? So that's what is all about FIDO2. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much. Let's meet in our next lecture.